buddy. I'm gonna spit in your goddamn mouth, fucko. Where are you?
What?
Got a small coffee here? Sorry, I used to work at Dairy Queen.
So after living on this earth for almost 25 years, I've come to the conclusion of one thing. Women under the age of 40 named Linda do not exist. Lindas are not born. No, they are rather summoned into this world with black magic when other moms gather for wine and book club. And then they say, behold, her name shall be Linda.
You dumb.
Wait, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. It's not washing off.
It's coming off slowly.
It's not washing.
It's starting to
It's not washing off.
Playful running montage. Ha ha ha.
I don't know what to wear. Sister, come help. Wow, a ball. I hope men notice me the way they notice you, sister. My first sip of wine ever. Is that man staring at me? How quaint. My disease.
What? Yasmin? Why? Why are you doing this?
I'm sorry. It's not me. It's him.
Him? Who's him?
Les rêves des amoureux.
One of you toe lickers just unfollowed me. I'm not mad, but you did not pay the exit tax. The exit tax is 3 Huggy Wuggies. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Not 4, 3 Huggy Wuggies. You shall pay the exit tax within 24 hours, or else I shall call upon the mole people. We will find you, and we shall be throwing hands promptly.
Beer Bong John, you still on that split glitter beard? Get yourself on the 3-way glitter beard. Also, my mom said we could hang out on Friday, but only if your mom can give me a ride home.
It's my little Russian lady. Are you getting ready for hot date? Please be back by 10 p.m. And don't let anybody touch your snoot.
Apparently, if you can hold a pen underneath your tibby, you don't have perky boobs. That's 13 pounds of produce. I'm gonna go eat a watermelon and carve a pumpkin because it's spooky season.
I'm not a Fisco girl. I'm a disco girl.
If I ever met John Mulaney, he would have to be sitting on the tile crisscross applesauce with me, standing on a 2x2 stool because I am shorter than my own temper and most people's marriages. Isn't that right, Asia? Yes, it is. So, in conclusion, I am small.
Are you gonna
So, anybody who's ever worked at Chipotle knows that we got those people that stick the hands over the glass. So one guy came up today and he went, "Oh, what's this?" And I'm like, "That's brown rice." And I didn't say anything, I just let it go. And then he comes up to the meat and he goes, "Oh, what's this?" And I'm like, "Sir, that's chicken. And can you please keep your hands behind the glass?" And he's like, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry." And I'm like, "No, you're totally good." And then we get to the salsa, and the guy goes, "Oh, what's this?" Bro stuck his hands in my hot salsa.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Let me see them lips. Attitude and give me face.
Boom, boom, boom.
Eyes, lips, space, wait.
Sister Theodora, come hither. The Duke is wearing those grey pantaloons that we so love to admire. Mother, please fetch my smelling salts immediately. A man at the park tipped his hat towards me in recognition as our paths crossed, and now I fear I've fallen incredibly ill with a terrible case of the fancies. What is this? A tear-stained admittance of your deepest feelings and secrets? How wickedly scrumptious.